Emil Labir was a pioneer Filipino scientist born in 1940. He earned his PhD in genetics from University of Illinois and became a leading figure in molecular physics. As chancellor of UP Los Baños, research in UP Los Baños strengthened its reputation as a center for farming innovation. Later, he served as president of the University of the Philippines, promoting science nationwide.
Javier will focus on biotechnology and crop improvement. He helped develop disease-resistant plants, boosting food security for Filipino farmers. His research in genetic engineering paved the way for sustainable farming practices. Beyond the lab, he advised the government on science policy, ensuring advancement reached rural community.
For his contribution, Javier received prestigious awards including the Philippine Legion of Honor. His legacy lives on true scientists who mentored and policies shaped. Today, his work continues to inspire innovations in agriculture, proving how science can transform lives.